What's up, y'all? It's currently 10:17 on March 14th, and we about to go to the gym. Oh, I am having some serious shoulder pain. Like, serious shoulder pain. Like, I don't know if it was the way I've been sleeping lately or I don't know. I don't know if you guys know, but I record all of these videos on my phone. And so, yes, I am running out of storage. I am running out of storage. But, man, I'm okay. It's going to be good. We're trying to figure it out. I usually use CapCut on my phone. I still have not been able to link my account on my phone to my laptop. None of my projects, none of my anything is ever seen on my laptop. And so I don't know. I bought an external hard drive to transfer all of my videos on my phone to the external hard drive. The external hard drive is trash. And so I have not been able to do that. But my overall goal is to just keep pumping out videos to you guys, make sure that you guys have enough content to really see. I plan on putting out one video a week. That's really like my goal, one video, 2 videos a week if I really can. I got tons of content. I got tons of things that I filmed, like day in the life. I said field. How does that work? But I got tons of things that I film, just don't put it out there. One, because I don't necessarily know like if the content that I'm making is subpar because of like my editing skills. I'm just now starting to really edit and get some things out there. And then 2, a lot of content I have, I'm trying to really still figure myself out when it comes to the type of content creator I am. I don't want to just put out gym content. I want to also put out like day in the life content, you know, stuff to kind of improve like your mood, stabilization, but also just healthier lifestyle and habits, which is like the hallmark of what I am, just health, you know. But yeah, I don't necessarily know, but you guys are gonna keep seeing videos coming out from me. I'm not really preparing for anything. I don't have like a weightlifting competition or a meet, or, you know, I just work out, bro, go to school. I'm currently in my master's program, if you guys didn't know. And so, yeah, I'm just a regular guy, bro, trying to live and be healthy as possible. But yeah, definitely got a lot of stuff coming out for you guys, but we are about to go to the gym and try to hit some, I haven't hit chest, but I am I'm apprehensive. Let me say that. I'm apprehensive to go to the gym because I have never really felt this pain before. And I don't want to come down on the bench and then I look over and my shoulder is inside my chest. No, we're just gonna take it one step at a time, see what we can really do, and, you know, just push it from there. Take it, you know, lightweight first, of course, and then go up in weight, see how it really feels. Yeah, we'll figure it all out when we get to the gym, but I'll see you guys there. And so when I first got to the gym, I actually started benching, and I completely forgot to stretch, which was the dumbest thing I could have did, especially with my shoulder being the way it is. And so I just started doing these different variations. There's some chest pulls, some shoulder variations too. I would like to open up, and yeah. Guys, so we made it back. We made it to the gym. And like I said, we're gonna try to see if we can get some bench press on this week shoulder. We're just gonna start out with the bar and then go up like maybe 35 pounds. I don't wanna go too crazy. Not necessarily know what's going on with my shoulder. And so we're gonna take it one step at a time. But if we can work up to 225, then we're gonna keep going. And possibly hit 305. I don't wanna go too crazy, especially with the shoulder feeling the way it is and not necessarily knowing how is it gonna feel long term. But we're gonna probably do about 4 sets of this and then go right into maybe a pec deck or something like that to do like the other parts of the chest. This is definitely gonna hit that middle chest, and then we're gonna try to do something for the upper chest, possibly the seated, like I said, pec deck, or I might do some dumbbell, incline dumbbell chest press. or just butterflies. I don't know. We'll see. You know, we'll kind of see if we can hit everything. If we do butterflies, we'll probably do that for low weight. We'll just keep going into that. But yeah, that's it. So I make a lot of videos on my bench press max, but I never really explain how I set up for a bench. So I like to get my hand placement right, which is going to be different for everybody. I like to use the indicators on the actual bar. And then I like to put my eyes right beneath the bar, and then I pull almost like I'm doing Australian pull up to the bar. And that's me setting my back, making sure that my back muscles are fully contracted and that I have an arch in my back. And then I use my legs to make sure I have a solid foundation. And I almost do like a leg extension away from the actual bench to make sure I'm able to use and drive that force off the bench. And so once I get my hand placement set and I arch my back and make sure everything's kind of set, that's whenever I start to lift the bar and I complete a full set. Making sure that your hand placement back and then your feet are set, that should be all you need in order to have a good bench press. This is definitely one of my most talkative videos, but it was really loud inside the gym and I wasn't able to get the best audio from this video. But pretty much what I was doing this block was wave loading. And so I started at a low weight, comfortable weight, which was, 225. And so that's really like my burnout set. Went up to 245, did that for 5. And now I'm doing 275 for 3. And then I'm going up to 295. Was having a little bit of shoulder pain. I didn't want it to pop out. So I kind of stopped at 295 and then I reverted back down. 295 for 1, 275 for 3, and then 245 for 5, and then a burnout set of 225. So we definitely felt something in our shoulder just then. It was only whenever I held it up and I started to just hold it up in the air. I was trying to contemplate whether or not I should go for a second rep. And that just threw my shoulder in the back position. I'm gonna get a spotter for this next set. You don't mind? Just when I say no. Yep. All right, so now we just did the one for 295, which I think is a good little offset. Bench press max is 320, 335. And so if we can go 335 for 1, and then we did 295 today, I think that's a good, I'm terrible at math, but 80, maybe a little bit less than 80. I have no clue, but that's a good percentage for today, especially when we're having a little bit of shoulder pain. Now we're gonna go 275 for 3, and then we're just gonna go back down 5, and then 225 for however many reps we can really get, and use that as a burnout session. And so let's go. All right, let's burn out this last set of 225 and see where we go. Smooth 9 reps, 1 to 10, but this shoulder just not hitting today, but we still rocked out. My phone easily died as soon as I got done with that. That took well over 1 to 2 hours, and I met a friend there at the gym too, and so my battery just drains. And so I'm really trying to figure out a different way for me to start filming these videos. I do have a secondary phone that I can use to do this, but I think I may have to invest inside of an actual camera so that I can start, moving all of my stuff to an external hard drive, potentially to my laptop. But then I actually looked through my laptop storage, and even that's getting full. And so I need an external hard drive. And I definitely think there's more benefit in, just paying what I need to pay rather than just buying cheap like I did. And having a lot of my videos on that external hard drive, and now having to kind of figure out what am I going to do to get those off the hard drive and where am I going to put those. And so that's going to be a heavy investment. But overall, if you made it this far, thank you for tuning in. Again, thanks for all the support. I know this is a very talkative, very long, verbal video, but I have a lot more videos that's going to be coming out. But I'm just grateful every single day that I have the opportunity to really make these videos and, allow, or I am allowed the opportunity to really share my journey with you guys and just go through with it. And yeah, just appreciative of everybody that's really a part of this. And yeah, I got another video coming out soon. So see you guys then. Bye, guys.